Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Ansys Spaceclaim tutorial how to emboss text. So you can create new design. I will create rectangles, for example, and after it use the pull tools to convert into 3D. Now we'll create new plane in this face, and then you can move the plane object in blue axis. After it, create sketch in the plane, and you can click plane view. Now to create text, go to detail, click node tools, and I will create at this point. So you can set the names into example, click outside, and then you can close from sketch editing. Now to move into the face of 3D object, we can use the wrap tools, click prepare, click wrap, and then select the object. Select the text objects to wrapping. Click OK to apply. You also can hide for the plane object. Now to emboss this text, we can use the pull tools. You can click here, pull, and you can click inside the text, hold, and then you can move to extrude. You can extrude one by one like this. Okay, that's it for a basic Ansys Spaceclaim tutorial, how to emboss text. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.